In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a camera shot in Blender quickly and easily. First, open Blender and make sure you have an object in your scene. And as you can see, this is the object that I have in my scene. Now, use your middle mouse to move around and find a good angle for your shot. Think of this as positioning your camera view before actually placing the camera. And once that you find a view that you like, press Shift A and go to the camera and just click on camera to add the camera to your scene. And you can see we have successfully added our camera. Now we can move it from here also like so. And now that we have placed our camera, make sure camera is selected and press Ctrl Alt and 0 key on your keyboard, and make sure the 0 is from the number pad, and this will snap the camera into your current view. At this point your basic shot is set up. To refine it further, just press the N key on your keyboard, or you can use the little arrow icon by just clicking on it and go to view. And once you are in the view, make sure to set lock to camera to view. Now you can adjust your shot by moving your view. You can just click on the plus icon and you can zoom in like so, or you can use your middle mouse button to rotate it to however you like so. You can just reframe it until your subject is framed exactly how you want. Take your time here and make sure your subject is centered and clearly visible like so. And that's it. That's how you set up a camera shot in Blender. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.